Hello everyone, this is Mr. P. On this episode on how to write an opinion essay, we're going to talk about the body paragraph. This is your lesson number 2. If you haven't watched lesson number 1, we talked about the introductory paragraph, the hook, the background, and the thesis statement. It's important you watch the lesson so that you understand what the body paragraphs are. So in this lesson, we'll talk about the topic sentence, the detailed sentences, and conclusion sentence. A normal essay usually has 3 body paragraphs. Then on the next lesson, we're going to talk about the conclusion. So what is a thesis statement? It is your main idea about the topic, adding 1, 2, 3, or more reasons. It is made up of the topic, the general subject of the essay, the controlling idea, your opinion, belief, view, feeling about the topic, and subtopics, the areas you will focus on to support your idea. It will answer the question of the prompt given in just one sentence. Please avoid writing I believe, in my opinion, I think, etc. This is an example of a 3-paragraph essay. So we have a title, Technology and Global Warming. In your introductory paragraph, we have a thesis statement in yellow. Don't forget to indent every paragraph. In blue, we have the body paragraph. And the last paragraph will be your conclusion. What is the body? It consists of 3 parts: topic, detail, and conclusion sentence. His goal is to fully develop the argument outlined in the introduction. It will be directly related to one specific subtopic of the thesis statement. These are the parts of the body. The topic sentence. It contains one subtopic of the thesis statement. This is what we're going to talk about now. But what is a topic sentence? It is the first subtopic you have written on your thesis statement. It can be the first or second sentence in your body paragraph. The purpose of a topic sentence is the perspective that you're given to the topic of the essay. It should answer how and why the topic is significant. In our example, I highlighted in yellow the thesis statement and underline the subtopic, destruction to our environment. In green, you will see the topic sentence. Technological equipment was never programmed to damage nature per se. However, it has backfired and it is causing harm to our environment. That's the same thing you said in your thesis statement. Part number 2, detailed sentences. They explain the topic sentence with facts, examples, or reason. Detailed sentences or supporting sentences should be facts, statistics, examples, quotes, transitions, and other sentences which support the topic sentence. To support the topic sentence, writers should explain the first supporting detail, give an example of this detail, unpack this example in a sentence or 2. Let's look at our essay. In blue, you will see the detailed sentence. Many people are careless about leaving their laptops on for long periods of time. Furthermore, they do not seem aware of the fact that all this energy and electricity consumption is dangerous to not only our local environment, but to the world as a whole. So this is your detailed sentence and supplementary sentences in your body. The last sentence is your conclusion sentence. It reminds us of the topic sentence. Like I said, it reminds us of the topic sentence. It summarizes the subject you elaborated on in that paragraph. Don't forget to think about the main point that you want to get across, and be sure it is included. So in Lilac, you will see the conclusion sentence. Additionally, it is the overusage of machinery, big or small, that is bringing our society ever closer to global warming, and we must stop this trend. So I repeat, additionally, it is the overusage of machinery, big or small, that is bringing our society ever closer to global warming, and we must stop this trend. So now we have this exercise. You need to choose the best conclusion sentence for this topic sentence. Skateboarding is the best sport ever. So number 1, in conclusion, skateboarding is the best sport ever. Number 2, in conclusion, skateboarding is the best sport ever because it makes me happy, keeps my body in shape, and improves my mood. Or number 3, in conclusion, skateboarding is the best sport ever because much like life itself, it's an action-packed activity. What is your answer? Please pause the video if you need some time. Well, the best answer will be number 3 because it provides a well-substantiated answer to the so what question. Therefore, when trying to come up with an effective conclusion, make sure to explain to your readers what point your paragraph is trying to convey and why it is important. Also, keep in mind that a concluding sentence is not just about going back to where you've started. Its goal is to give the original topic a whole new dimension by expanding it. So on our next video, we're going to talk about the conclusion paragraph. So if you have questions, please write them under the lesson. If you have comments, also you may write them under the video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it. I would really appreciate it. See you on the next lesson. Have a great day. Bye-bye.